So, hi, my name is Emanuela Ofori. I just wanted to talk about how horrible it is that you trust someone and expect them to do something for you, and all they do is make money off you and create a big scam out of it. Okay, so I wanted to get married. So I was planning a wedding. So I contacted a musician in Ghana called Charles Niama Mensah, also known as Shatta Wale, to come perform at my show. And he told me he did not want me to go through Xylophone Media, which was a sign off, and that they pay him very less. So he was trying to buy himself out of Xylophone Media. So he wanted me to go behind to talk about the deal. So I got his WhatsApp number, we talked, and then all of a sudden he wanted to move his money from UK to US. So me living in US, thinking that I'm helping a fellow Ghanaian, I, decided to help him. And then he goes, well, you've got to send me money to pay my taxes so I can move my money. So as stupid as it sounds, you hear of a musician and you want him to perform at your wedding and you don't feel bad about it and you want to help him out. So I stupidly sent so much money through Western Union, mobile money, and all these MTN telephone numbers, only to find out that all these stories that he made were all fake, and all these supposedly UK bank account he created were all fake. So then I end up losing $45,000. And this musician disappears, blocks my number, sells his phone to a Nigerian to come tell me that it was a Nigerian scam. But I spoke to him twice in a video call. I have his original Facebook page that I spoke to him about the deal, and people, I can confirm it. I have all my receipts, I have all my evidences, and if anybody thinks I'm making this up and they're not careful and they decide to hire this Charles Niama Mensah or Shatta Wale and they end up wasting their money, don't say I didn't warn you. This is a real thing that happened to me, okay?
Well, I am here part when you came to Ghana. I wasn't like
Yeah, but I didn't know you. Nanya na siya na may text to gano ka laki na niya may yeah na like or texted back. Like I knew people. I was like you weren't gonna text back, but let me just try. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, but people just need to know you before assuming that like the things they see, like they can just judge. But it's all part of life. Everybody grows, everybody eats, everybody has sex at some point. So it's like, what's the big deal, right?
Mm. I mean, I will come on. I guess yeah, I'll be over there.
Yeah, I guess like 28 is like my birthday, so I'll be
Oh,
like 27.
I'll be there by that time. 28.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in New Jersey for the show.
Yeah, I will come
Yeah, yeah, my
early.
birthday weekend. Maybe I'm not me. I'm a fault because I gotta spoil myself. So
That
come to watch and now in your sky, you gotta spoil yourself.
yeah, when that will be woo.
Aye, unim da be wo. Oh, and then yes, unim sent me trip second one. It was right after Ebony died. Oh no,
Oh,
was it after Ebony died or before Ebony died?
wow.
Ebony died in February. It was after Ebony died, the second one. Cause now flash, I no kind of mommy for a second trip no. Like, cause I'm like, oh, but now it's this guy then like, ochina se sena we will call then no obi din some phone away yes yeah. Yeah, I know the mommy. Yeah, I was going crazy.
You know.
Oh.
So
First of all, the way this woman they mention my name, say I scam am and I do am. Everybody way you listen, those bloggers where they blog those things, those foolish bloggers the way they do like they no get ear. Make the check. Even my boys. I no like nonsense. You see Ghana, people they try me too much to the extent say when I start to do something, then somebody will talk say shatter there. But when it happen, nobody they talk for me. Because everybody see me say, yeah, the way I can't sit here with my swag and I can't do and since somebody they see me like, you see me, I dey live the life I want to live, and the life I'm living, they hurt anybody. They bring blood out of anybody. It's just happiness in my soul. So make somebody tell that woman, say, you see what they do? One, me, I call lawyers, they look for one for America. They go serve them letter. Me, I like international court. I like this kind of case. Make a win case. $45,000. But you know how much they sign me? You know the things where you know the money where me I get before they sign me say a boa. You can't talk, you play some voice, the voice said no be my voice, and everybody go be attest to that. You can't tell me say and one day you see me for video me and Flossie bleed. Hey, you know the fear devil, eh? You know this, when you see devil, you know they see devil, eh? When you chop my matter, you go get matter. When you chop me, Shatawali my matter, you go get matter. You know how many people say they use my Facebook page, create names, plenty where they use. Say they talk to me, you get my number. I dey check, you get chat. I dey check the chat to her. Shatawali official. Some pages I dey see what say. Some of my fans they take promote me and things. You go fall for there. They catch you mugu, chop you. You say it be me. Make somebody thought that one say you see me. You chop wrong shit. Some shit it be better. But you see this shit, you chop wrong shit. Cause see me, I go push this thing. I go push this thing because see. Sometimes I hate the way people see me. You know, someone wants to see me like, yeah, how you doing here? Right? I don't really give a fuck about how you think about me. I beg you, my guy. You see, whatever they do, whatever me and they do, I do one for me and my fans. I don't do one for anybody. Because nobody cares. Nobody they care. I swear. Make somebody tell that woman. Say, you see me, I'll go sue one for defamation. And you go understand. Say, next time. But sometimes Ghana, if I say Ghana be village, then people they ball. Say woman with you your eyebrow. You make your eyebrow like chuchu kiwi. So Charlie. Did if you pick some people from village now and take them go America and they talk like it is slang. They won't do like no right now in no life. If your eye open, the way American technology did it, you don't know Shatawali in page. You don't know Charles Nyamamesa in page. As I come live right now, you know how many people they watch me? Make they tell that woman. Make you understand. So you see the thing that they can't talk about. They go look for one, and they go see one, and you go can't show me when. Me, he give me money. What? Charlie Ghana there sometimes I beg. I don't want trouble, Ghana. And make nobody can give me trouble. Because you see my corner I think of myself and my fans. Make people know come just see this thing. Like you see my music I do, people go to play around now. Things go happen. Make people not see things like that. Because sometimes I just the shocks. How come we people just want, you understand me? And the bloggers, you listen kakai, hi, I talk interview, things where I do. So foolishly. As I go my talk, you know, spread this news like that. But you can't do there. They spread shit. Because Shatawali, they ain't been on the bad news. No, the bad news. Charlie, make I tell you people something. See me, nobody go feel worry my life. Because see me, I know they worry nobody in life. I know they worry nobody in life. You see me, I they talk so confident. Because see me, I know myself. So if people they watch me, people they think, say, oh, why Shatawali? Why Shatawali? I don't give a fuck, my nigga. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, my nigga. Because see this Ghana with you, people they just watch things different way. How come? See man just there. I just there, you know, recording until I say, oh no, I gotta go sleep and things. People they call me, say, hey, Charlie, the way they think, the way this woman, hey. Make the tell the woman say, if you no come, Ghana can't look for me, can't report me for IGP. Make they call me, make we sit down. You see, the money go pay me, because if you American ID, me I like things like this. You people they do one and Donald Trump, they talk, say Africa be shit, because see, if you are so educated, if you say if you America you did, your eye open, the way American people they my eye open. Hey, Ghanaians. Hey, Jimmy chapter 23 verse 9. It didn't want about you. Then you are so bold to come to say, and Charles Nyama Mensah, he scam you and scam. Are you okay? Are you stupid? Are you so like that? Why? What's up? Say, if my name were the John or if you call my name, like I don't know. I make the way, if you know say you like me, don't call my name, make my fast spec call my name. I don't like go bullshit things. I don't like bullshit things. Don't call, I don't even need them, so don't even try. You understand me? I don't need them. It be so stupid. I don't need them. Make my fans call me, Shatawale. I like that thing. Don't call me. I don't like this stupid kind of behavior. Like you don't waste your life and they make money out of it. It be stupid thing. You telling me I go to. I'll run myself. I'll make money. What have you made? Every day you won't put Shatawale in image some way and you won't do make everybody go type Shatawale. So stupid things, so foolish things from Ghana. Because Ghana is a village. Because they don't understand how even the great computer way man for use computer make something beneficial for him. Man just the computer, but it's a foolish thing. They type foolish thing, they watch porno, foolish, they watch porno, foolish, they watch porno. Then people go there and go to say they do work. They say they get girlfriends. You make the blog, no blogger no make mistake, make I get your girl. The way I go chop am. What's here? So stupid life. Like people get money pass. You they do this thing. And the leaders of this country today say, why our entertainment industry will fool like that? That the who are leaders, Jimmy like you fool. Including me and Ankasa. That's why sometimes help self not become their way. Jimmy so why? Do I pay me for some people? You understand me? Do I pay me for some people? See, people did the way they live some life and they sound like, you go take there and somebody go down and say, scam him. He send you voice note. You listen. He send you chat. He say, no, this is not the shattering page. But so foolishly. I don't know how much, if people come your site, come watch, how much you get. Me, I get money for YouTube. Mad. iTunes, mad. I get money for that. Your stupid site where they don't know. Some of you go talk kojochrome.com. Some of you go talk aposmalkitra.com. Some of you go to lizardlai@.org. Stupid blogging sites. Them to the cinema myself say they work. Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe that blogger no. Oh blogger mo nyina Shatawale abuwa. It be stupid. My guys, maybe stop this thing. Maybe you won't stop this nonsense thing they do. Because me to this if people don't stop this nonsense thing they do. This nonsense things I don't go talk. I don't go stop talk. They talk. Say anything where you be. Hey, Shatawale, no, you be negative. No, you won't come talk. Because Charlie the guy, how come where they go on? Charlie the guy, that's also he pass somewhere. If I pass somewhere, pass somewhere. Are you not talk? Are you okay? If you feel so, Charlie Shatawale, he pass somewhere. You to pass somewhere. Jimmy and Kwa. But you won't watch me like, and you won't read me and like me. Gotta make nobody seem like that. You see me I not do like the way Ghanaians do. Because I don't want to think like the way Ghanaians they think. Me, I won't recreate. I won't create things. I won't manufacture things. I won't open chapters for life. So make nobody can talk stupidly and nonsense. And that one make they tell me, I say my lawyers right now they talk, they search and where about. Everywhere they did for America, they go fish them out. And no be anything. But just make we go court. I like this thing. I like cases like this. Me, I like it. Me, I like problem like this. I like matter like this. You can't give me evidence. You see the phone talk say you make mistake. Make somebody tell us, say you make mistake. You make mistake. You dey America, you won't do like sometimes I know Ghana is a village or Ghana. Ghana is a fucking village. Because when people say they feel live here, go America. See disgrace. You do whole America, you know they feel verify say this is Shatawale in page. This is Shatta Wale original page. This is Shatta Wale in this thing verified. You know they feel verified. America. America. You go make all my girls for America say they ball. My girls for America, when they find past you, they go they ball. They go they ball. What do you mean? You know what is scam? You know what is scam? Because say I go scam you $45,000 and you go come there and you got 45,000. How you feel like? How you feel? Say I scam you. Hey, don't do that at all. Because you see me, I know they play with money. You see the money said they call. It be fucking cheap money where I go if you take watch you for your life. What the America? Man, they just can't do a show for America and come back. Where even you are seeing for? Or how come me and you said they communicate? What's number you they communicate on? My fans where they know me, they know the number they use. So what's number you they communicate on? Where they say we they talk on phone? What a stupid like that? Sometimes it pay me. It pay me. See, because I be half caste, everybody they jealous me. See, woman, you dare America. America. Donald Trump in land. Where you won't check artists in page. Hey, Ghanaians. Get me go in Masio. Jimmy. Go find some page. Or you know you say that's in the internet. You go find some page. You see that video, you go take go court. And see that video, you go pay for one. You see me, I make ready. If like make police, I dey talk right now. Make American police can't arrest me. I won't make American police can't arrest me right now. America police, me they can't arrest me right now. I won't go America. Say you can't scammer. Hey, Shatta Wale. I go take my time. Make they lock me everything. Make we go court.